All right, here, number 6, applications and problem solving. There are 7 cases. Okay. First, a list. It means, translate, X is at least some amount. Okay. And at most mean X is at most some amount. It means X less than or equal to, or X cannot exceed some amount. We'll write X less than or equal to some amount. Or X must exceed some amount. So we'll have X greater than some value here. Or X is between. We'll write X in between some amount. Or X no more than some amount. We'll have X less than or equal to. The last case is X no less than some amount. We'll have X is greater than or equal to some amount. It's more like, make sure you understand this and I'll memorize it so that when you read the word problem, these words will be used and you should have to translate it to whether I use greater than or equal to or between or less than or greater than. It's all depending on the words, the phrase right here, given in the word prompts. All right, I'll start with this example. Tom is taking an English class in which there will be 6 essays, each worth 50 points, 50 points. He has scored 41, 40, 45, 48, and 46 on the first 5 essays. He must make a total of at least 270 points in order to get an A. What score on the last essay will give Tom an A? So we need to find what Tom's last score is that will guarantee he'll get an A in the class. Now, each essay worth 50 points, right? So to maintain an A, he must have at least 270 points. So we need to solve for the last test, okay? We need to find what his score for the last test. You can say let X be Tom score for the last test on the last essay. Okay, the last score. Score, okay, points. The last score on the last essay. And the question is, he must make a total of a total of at least. Did it ring the bell? When you hit list, it means you're going to use greater than or equal to. So you know that, you can put on the sides, and you know that you're going to use this one, right? Because at list. So the total has to be greater than or equal to 270 points. Okay? Total here means the total of all 6 essays. Total scores of all 6 essays. So, let's see. We know that essay 1, he got 41. Essay 2, he got 40. Essay 3, he got 45. Essay 4, he got 48. Essay 5, he got 46. And we let X be Tom's score for the last essay, right? Because he hasn't taken yet. So we don't know what it is. So we use a variable X as a dummy variable. So essay 6, let's say his score is X. So total means you're going to add all these values together, right, to find the total. So I have total is equal to 41 plus 40 plus 45 plus 48 plus 46 plus x. Okay, 41 plus 40 plus 45 plus 48 plus 46 plus x. Okay, now substitute the total. So this total right here, we get 41 plus 40 plus 45 plus 48 plus 46 plus x greater than or equal to 270. Okay, 48, 46. So we need to solve this inequality, which is total, greater than or equal to 270. We can solve that by simplify the left-hand side. If you add up all these values, 41 plus 40, 45, 48, 46, you should get 220 plus x greater equal to 270. So what is x? We solve x, right, using the addition principle. So we're going to subtract 220 on both sides. Net 220 is x greater than or equal to 270 subtract 220 is 50. So what is x again? Remember, we let x be the Tom score on the last essay. So that means Tom must earn a perfect A, 50, right? Because that's the maximum point. So Tom must earn 54 points to get an A. So make sure you write the last statement that's explain what this x means. So that means to get an A, Tom need to get 50 points. That's the minimum he must get to get an A. If he gets 49, he won't get an A in the class. So he must get a perfect essay. Tom needs to get 50 points or better, in case the teacher give out bonus or something. But I'll say 50 points or better. On the last essay. Okay. So we just saw an application using the addition principle. Okay, and again, using the addition principle, you don't have to switch the inequality symbol. For addition principle, you maintain the inequality symbol. You only reverse the inequality for the multiplication principle.